So hey guys, this is parakeet food. This is what I feed my parakeets. It's not what I feed them all the time, but look at it has a bunch of different variety of stuff that they could eat. I want to get them into pellets. It has spray millet too, but yeah. So this is what this video is gonna be about what I feed my animals. This is what I feed. I recommend this for. I don't recommend it for everybody. It's a decent food. It's not like something you could use all the time, but this parakeet food I bought at PetSmart. It was like $10, but the food that's in here is not the original food. This food in here is actually like vitamin food. It has vitamins in it, like different vitamins. That's what I feed my parakeets, and then I feed my parakeets these Harvest Bite treats. They love these. They're like little balls of. Like, it has a bunch. Sorry about that, but it has. They're like. Oh, well, that looks wrong, but they're like little harvest treats. It has like seeds. It's like Christmas kind, I guess. Christmas colors it has. So yeah, and then I feed my finches. I feed them this type of food. It's my own food. I mix it. Sorry about that, but I'm opening it. This food is what I feed my finches. It's not really expensive. It's like, I think I buy it at the local pet shop for like $5 for like 2 pounds or something. So yeah, this is what I feed them. I buy two kinds. I buy like one that's pure seeds, and then I buy some that has like different stuff. Like the finches can't really eat the seeds that are in here, like an actual seed. So yeah, that's not what I feed my finches all the time. Oh, wrong cap. So I have it in this little container that I bought at the 99-cent store. Pretty decent. Not the best container. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video on what I use for my fish tank stuff and how I keep my stuff organized. So yeah, so this is what I feed my parakeets and finches. So yeah, so please comment, rate, and subscribe.